Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve bug on Facebook. To know how to fix or how to solve bug on Facebook app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will enter to the window or to the app of Facebook, and you can click in this page here. Then in this list of app info, you will click on first app and you can click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete all your informations about this app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.